Hi, this is Abul Kalam. Today we are going to see Aptitude Learning Kit Part 11. Each slide exactly 20 seconds. Okay, hopefully this will be a beautiful learning material with video solutions. A car runs on 4 tires and has one extra tire, that is stepney. If each tire lasts for 20,000 km, then what is the maximum distance the car can travel using the 5 tires? Most of them will tell 20,000 into 5, but that is wrong. Why? Because all the 4 tires are running simultaneously. That is the key hint here. What you have to do is each tire equal to 20,000 divided by 4, that is 5,000. So 5 tires, 5 into 5,000, 25,000. Okay, because why one tire cannot run, all the 4 tires will run simultaneously. So 5 tires will run 25,000 km. The next question, 1 by 1 power 1 by 1 plus p power n minus 1 plus 1 by 1 plus p power m minus n equal to how much? As I said in the previous video, we can do this with logically or mathematically. P power n by m we can make it and do solve algebraically or using indices and such. But what the shortcut we can use is all the values, whatever the values, p equal to n equal to m equal to 1, use the substitute, you will get the answer as 1. Just substitute all the values 1, you will get 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, the value will be 1. Answer is 1. The speed of the railway engine is 42 km per hour with no compartment attached to it. The speed of the engine reduces directly as the square root of the number of compartments attached to it. The speed of the engine is 24 km per hour with 9 compartments attached. Find the maximum number of compartments with which the engine can still move. I have made a tabular column for you. Number of compartments 0, speed is 42. Number of compartments is 9, speed is 24. The difference is 18. 42 minus 24 is 18, but they have given square root. So square root of 9 is 3. So next perfect square number is 16. So just there will be a subtraction for 3. The difference is 18. So each one 6. Okay. For 16 compartments it will be 18. That is 24 minus 6, 18. For 25 compartments 12. For 36 compartments 6. For 49 compartments 0. So with 48 compartments still the train can move. Okay, thanks for watching this video.